Welcome fellow travelers. Today on Exit Through the Gift Shop we are at Paxton Gate. This boutique shop has oddities and treasures inspired by natural science. Paxton's Gate has a wide selection of taxidermy available. Look at these guys up here, everything from a zebra, mountain goat, caribou, ibex, or this beautiful juvenile porcupine. They also have carvings like this carved cow skull. It's amazingly intricate considering it's on the top of a cow skull. African baboon, buffalo skull, or hyena. This is very cool, a fossilized trilobite. Also found a large selection of fossils and different types of rocks. Some fossilized whale ears, a variety of assorted shark's teeth, more trilobites. I think if I had a fossil collection, I would probably collect different types of trilobites. They also have wet specimens like this fetal calf or this bearded iguana. Here's a cave bear paw. Here's a variety of snakes that are in a globe. There's a beautiful two-headed calf on display. Okay, I want to show you guys something, but this is a little bit more graphic, so if you are a little bit squeamish, then maybe skip ahead now. That's your final warning. 3, 2, 1. So this is fetal sheep twins that are actually still in the uterus, and this has been shellacked and mounted as some sort of trophy plate. It's incredible. Some regular taxidermy animals, chicks, squirrels, baby groundhog. And if that's not enough for you, you can dress up some mice. Look at these guys. There's a little gnome one. Some mouse magnets. Put that on your fridge. Whoa, what's that guy doing over there? These wall-mounted octopuses are amazing. Octopi? I'm guessing that the fossil aquarium is a little bit easier to take care of than live fish. Hippo. And they said you didn't have a heart. Or if you're not interested in animals, maybe you can just buy a human skull. And since we're in Portland, you can put a bird on it at the Faulkner event. Alright, that's it today from Paxton's Gate. This is a very, very, very cool shop. There is so much to see and explore. Maybe not for the faint of stomach, but for those of you that likes taxidermy, fossils, and other oddities, come in and check it out. Please remember to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures, and check out our interactive map to see other oddity shops and places that we've been. Until next time, it's time to exit through the gift shop.